three VMware platforms are covered. In this, if you are going with respect to ESXi, has a administrative accounts, whereas VMware players and VMware workstations are single-use desktop application without user authentication. See, if you are going with respect to VMware player and VMware workstation, these two are single user desktop application. You don't without any user authentication. It doesn't need any username and password. You can directly go for the player and workstation to work with respect to the what all the functions we can do or what all the applications are installed in those. Okay, and only with respect to ESXi platform of VMware, you can go with respect to administrative accounts. ESXi is the spare operating system whose entire purpose is to administrative virtual machine, administrative virtual machine which work as a administrative virtual machine. It does not have internet browser or other user applications. See, whenever you are installed or working with respect to ESXi, only with respect to administrative virtual machine it will be working, means virtually you are connected as a administrator, and this platform doesn't won't have a connection with respect to internet browsers and also with respect to other users. You can't access other applications or you can't access the internet through this type of administrative connection. Okay, as such it makes sense for all the network administrators to use privileged accounts on this operating system. You have to use the privileged account for the logging in with respect to administration. If you are logged into that, you can't access the internet and you can't access or use the other application, which will provide the higher level of security with respect to the administrative account. Okay, then you can see with respect to installing hardware. And computer hardware is generally not OS specific, although some platforms are unable to boot certain OS operating systems. The basic components for desktop systems are pedestal, that is processor, memory and peripherals, and display or monitor and keyboard, pointing devices, and uninterruptible power supply systems and cable for all of the components plus a network cable. Some systems are more bundled, and such as laptops and Apple Macs, which bundle everything except the wireless mouse and wireless keyboard. See, all these things, see, whenever we are going with respect to computer hardware installation, always if you are going with respect to desktop, what all the things we need: processors, memory and peripherals. Processor will be installed will be in the CPU, and display and monitors will be attached, and keyboard and pointing devices like mouse, and uninterruptible power supply like UPS system, and cable with respect to interconnection of one component to another components. And if you are having the network cables for with respect to internet connection, that will be also connected. That will be with respect to desktops. If you are going with respect to the laptops or any other tabs, and then you don't need any external bundles like cables, memory peripherals, or monitor, or keyboards, or any other things, because all those things are already installed with respect to laptops and your this tabs and all. If you are going with respect to tabs, and only wireless mouse and wireless keyboards can be connected, that can be an option with respect to that. And for pointing devices and keyboards, the standard connector is an universal serial bus, and that is USB connection. And except that the obsolete IBM PS2 connectors are still in use in the some shops, or that is wired network CAT5 cables uses RJ45 connectors. With respect to RJ45 connectors, that is with respect to IBM PS2 connectors. Although Wired networks cables are standardized on RJ45. There are dozens of competing standards for fiber cables, fiber optic cables. Each shop must adopt one of the standard com compatible with the network interface card, that is NIC, and the network switch components. All those things should be maintained. And computer monitors usually conform to one of the uh, prevalent standard video graphics adapter, that is VGA cable, that will be with respect to computer monitor connections with respect to your CPU, and that is digital video interface. Some monitors have both type of connectors and support switching between the pedestals, and the standard power cable is called the pigtail and conforms to each country's electrical standards, and usually there are separate pigtails for the monitor and the pedestal. You will be having the for CPU separate power supply will be there, and for monitor you will be having separate power supply with respect to the desktop connections. Okay, and you should consult your manufacturer instruction for the specifications specifies that setting up the your system, but a typical hardware setup sequence for the desktop pedestal includes the following, that is, position the components on the top of the desk topic. Typically, if the system has a separate floor pedestal, and then it is placed underneath the desk along with the UPS and with the backside and connector ports facing the installation, and connect the monitor pigtail and display cable and secure the them thumb screws if any, and feed the monitor mouse keyboard cable down through the desktop opening around the backside, and connect the network monitor mouse and display cables to the pedestal like your CPU. And for the new UPS, you may need to connect the battery by removing the panel and the instruction stickers, and then fastening the internal plugs, and connect the pigtail to the pedestal, and then connect to the UPS, and connect the UPS to the electrical outlet and turn on the UPS, or double check all the cable connection. Always verify your work. Make no assumptions. Turn on the computer. Verify that the monitor display monitor sorry if the answer operating system is installed, continue booting the to check keyboard, mouse and network functionality. And although you can test the system using bootable CD or DVD test tool such as Backtrack and Kane and Helix.